A for apple. Apples means
A for apples. Apples means seb.
B for ball. Ball means
For ball. Ball means gend.
C for cat. Cat means
C for cat. Cat means billy.
D for dog. Dog means
D for dog. Dog means kutta.
E for elephant. Elephant means
E for elephant. Elephant means hathi.
F for fish. Fish means
Fish means machli.
G for gift. Gift means
Gift means tofa.
H for hen. Hen means
H for hen. Hen means margi.
I for ice cream. Ice cream means
I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream.
J for joker. Joker means
Joker means joker.
K for kiwi. Kiwi means
K for kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi.
L for lion. Lion means
L for lion. Lion means sher.
M for monkey. Monkey means
M for monkey. Monkey means bandar.
N for nest. Nest means
N for nest. Nest means ghosla.
O for orange. Orange means
O for orange. Orange means narangi.
P for pineapple. Pineapple means
P for pineapple. Pineapple means pineapple.
Q for queen. Queen means
Q for queen. Queen means rani.
R for rocket. Rocket means
R for rocket. Rocket means rocket.
S for sun. Sun means
S for sun. Sun means suraj.
T for tomato. Tomato means
T for tomato. Tomato means tomato.
U for umbrella. Umbrella means
U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता.
V for vegetable. Vegetable means
V for vegetable. Vegetables means sabji.
W for watermelon. Watermelon means
Watermelon means तरबूज.
X for Christmas. Christmas means
X for Christmas. Christmas means Christmas.
Y for yak. Yak means
Y for yak. Yak means yak.
Z for zebra. Zebra means
Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.